In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the desktop version of Gmail on a mobile phone. This can come in handy when you need access to features that are only available on the desktop site. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your mobile web browser. You can use popular options like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, whatever you prefer on your smartphone. Once you've got your browser open, it's time to navigate to Gmail. Simply type in the URL, which is https://.gmail.com/ into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the mobile version of Gmail. Now, here's where it gets a bit interesting. To view the desktop version, you'll need to request it. If you're using an Android device with Chrome, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. When you tap on that, you should see a menu pop up. Find the option that says Desktop Site and make sure to check that box. This will allow the browser to load the desktop version of the site instead of the mobile one. If you're on an iPhone using Safari, the process is slightly different but still straightforward. You'll want to look for the AA icon that's located in the address bar. Once you tap that, you'll see an option that says Request Desktop Website. Go ahead and select that, and this will set you up to access the desktop version of Gmail. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials to log in. Type your Gmail address into the email or phone box and tap Next. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've done that, tap Next again. At this point, there's a chance that Gmail might still load a simplified mobile version even after you've requested the desktop site. If that happens, don't worry, there's a simple fix. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, you may see a link that says Desktop or Go to Standard View. Just tap that link and it should load the full desktop interface for you. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the desktop version of Gmail right from your mobile phone. This can be especially helpful if you need to draft a long email or have to access features that are easier to manage on a desktop layout. So to quickly recap, you opened your mobile browser, navigated to Gmail, requested the desktop site, logged in with your credentials, and made sure to choose the desktop view if needed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe so you can stay updated with more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!